we just go? Can we just go? Think about where we're going. Can we just
Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley. If you're new here, if you are, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out and also helps you to find more videos like this one. But let's just go ahead and hop right into the video. The first thing is to go ahead and identify early who you're going to be living with. If you're going to be living with a certain group of people or a certain person. That's also very important to figure out. I suggest knowing this by like August, September. I know it seems super early, you just started the school year, but it really does help that you want to be on the same page, touring the same places and discussing together, hey, these are the places we're considering. These are when we're going to tour those places. These are our criteria, the things we're looking for, and having clear vision, that clear plan. Next is to avoid newer complexes. I know, I did this last year, and this is the exact reason why I'm saying to do this, because they end up being delayed or constructions like off track or whatever. You end up being screwed because either you don't move in on time, cue last year's move-in vlog, or there might be still some like underlying like after action issues, and you're just going to constantly have like vendors going in and out of your unit, fixing things, adjusting things. If you do want to be in like the new, I suggest at least waiting a year or two after it's open. By then all the kinks hopefully have been adjusted, figured out, all that, and you're not like the guinea pig for the community. Everything's settled by that point. Next is to honestly just ask an upperclassman or somebody who's like older than you, who lives in the area, who's in your college town, what they think. If they live in a certain community, ask them, hey, what do you like about living there? What do you don't like? Are you considering moving? Would you suggest that I live there? Like, ask for their feedback. And they've gone through this exact same process at one point or another. That's how they ended up where they are. And so they can give you feedback of like, hey, I have friends over in this community, give you a lot of feedback, advice on places to maybe steer towards, places maybe to just take off your list. And I did this my freshman year, and I think it made it a lot quicker and easier to narrow down different places because they gave me certain questions and things to think about, and also gave me some insight on certain communities maybe to be looking out for and be aware of that I might want to like reconsider on my list. Next, and this is the second to last thing, is to try to stay within 8 to 10 minutes. If you're trying to live within like a decently close radius of your college town, make sure that your community is within 8 to 10 minutes of like driving time on like a normal, busy, like going to class type of day. Further out's fine, but just know if you're one of those people who already is tempted not to go to class, or if it's like a rainy day, or there's somebody who just does a lot on campus, the closer you are, the more convenient and more involved you're going to be naturally inclined to be, because campus isn't that far. So definitely don't try to go outside of that 10-minute range if you're still planning to be a really involved commuter. And the last thing is, I'm gonna put some overlays here, just some questions that I've used in the past when touring different off-campus communities. I'm just gonna put them here on screen. These are definitely things that I either considered, were told by others to consider, or maybe even found on the internet. There's tons of resources on Pinterest, Google, even YouTube, of things to think about or ask during your off-campus housing tours. So you definitely want to keep all of those resources, and then also think about things that are important to you and ask those as well. Be willing to ask your tour guide. They should be more than happy to answer those for you, because they want to obviously make the sale, want you to live there. So they want you to feel confident and comfortable living there and knowing exactly what you're getting into. Those were all of my off-campus housing guide, like tips, tricks. If you want a part 2, I can do that maybe in a couple weeks, but I know that the season of off-campus house hunting kind of starts really quick after classes start. So I want to go ahead and get this video out for you so you can see it, know it, and kind of get prepared now. If you did enjoy it, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you still haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that button and the bell while you're at it as well. And until next time, I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye guys.